my dear traders, today I have really good mood. I want to be the lucky one, and I want to show you that you can get your work really successful and not so difficult. So today we're gonna work with candlesticks. Right now on the platform you see bars, but I will change bars to candlesticks. Here we have chart type, line candles, bars, Heikin-Ashi, candles. Display settings, I save them. My usual amount is $100. Here we have two bottoms, higher and lower. Higher is for call option, lower is for put option. And here we have purchase time. So what you have to do, my personal tip for you, open your deal as close to the expiration line. It gives you more chances to get successful profit. That is the main tip. The second, you have to know two basic principles working with candlesticks. So we have on the screen two types of candlesticks, the red candlestick and the green candlestick. So for example, if you see that green candlestick step by step grows up, or it is a long candlestick and one, but in long position it's grew up, so you have to open put option because that is your prediction. Or vice versa, I just open call option because when you see the red candlestick falls down step by step, it means the soon market will grow up, and that's why you have to open call option. By the way, you may open a new option if you have the opportunities and your own desire. So that is how you can work with candlesticks, but don't forget to look at the market analysis, which is right here on this panel of the screen. Trading history, leaderboard, the trend, actually the history of the whole trend, to analyze everything, your own prediction. Unfortunately, I have the result 0, but it's better than loss, and I continue. So purchase time left 19 seconds. I am waiting for a while because I need to analyze everything. Okay, 100 for put option because here there were right here candles which were growing up, and it means that soon market will fall down, and maybe right here at this time market will fall down. Actually, you see it falls down, but my line is unfortunately under the candles. So I'm waiting, and I hope that the market will fall down and cross the deal line. Come on, please, just a little. Okay, come on. Okay, so that was nervous, risky, but $89 in good results. So basically that is how you can work with candlesticks. So for today, that is all for now. I wish you lucky and successful work with the IQ option platform. I'm waiting for your likes and shares and comments. Remember that all the useful links are